AI-generated history videos are dominating YouTube right now. Just think about it. There's a brand new channel that launched only last month, and it has already gained more than 160,000 subscribers with just 26 uploads. Each of their videos is crossing millions of views, with some crossing the 5 million mark easily. According to Social Blade, the channel is earning anywhere between $50,000 to $180,000 every single month. Even if we assume the lowest estimate, that is still a life-changing amount of money. And the shocking part? These videos are more than 2 hours long, created with free AI tools, and produced at almost zero cost. At first, when people look at these videos, they think it must be too complex, requiring big budgets, teams of editors, or expensive software. That's why no one has uploaded a proper tutorial on this yet, because everyone assumes it's too hard. But I found a way to create the exact same type of videos completely free, without needing advanced skills, expensive apps, or a production team. In fact, I'll show you the exact workflow in this video step by step, from creating your channel, branding it professionally, finding viral topics, writing the script, generating visuals, converting them into videos, editing them, and even designing thumbnails that grab attention. And to make this process easier, I've also uploaded every single prompt I use into a PDF, available for free in my Telegram group. The link is in the description, so you don't need to search for anything, just follow along with me. Let's start with the very first step, channel creation and branding. Most beginners mess up here because they either overthink it or follow outdated advice from so-called gurus. But the reality is very simple. Open YouTube, click on the sign-in button on the top right, and choose Create Account. Now, when YouTube asks you whether this is for business or personal use, always select for personal use. A lot of people mistakenly go for the business option, and that creates issues later. Once you're here, YouTube will ask for your channel name. This is where you need something unique, something easy to remember, and something that matches the type of videos you're planning to create. For that, simply head over to Chatgpt, paste the naming prompt from my PDF, and it will instantly generate 50 unique channel name ideas. Go through them carefully, shortlist the ones you like, and pick one that feels simple and brandable. Paste that into YouTube, add your details like date of birth, password, and mobile number, and your channel is ready. But here's an important detail. Don't immediately upload videos on a brand new channel. YouTube doesn't trust new accounts that upload on day one. That's how some people get shadow banned without even knowing it. The smarter approach is to use the channel normally for at least 2 to 3 days. Watch a few videos, comment, like, and create natural activity. The viral history channel I mentioned earlier was created on July 9th, but they didn't upload their first video until July 11th. That small gap matters, so follow the same strategy. Once that's out of the way, it's time to brand your channel. First, we'll need a professional-looking logo. For that, use my logo prompt inside ChatGPT. Replace the placeholder text with your chosen channel name, and ChatGPT will generate multiple logo ideas. If you want more creative freedom, just ask ChatGPT to give me a theme or concept without text, and it will provide a clean design idea. Copy that idea, go to Leonardo AI, paste it into the prompt box, and set the model to lucid realism. Make sure the image size is 1:1, since logos look best in square format. In a few seconds, Leonardo will generate 4 logos. Pick your favorite, download it, and upload it to your channel in YouTube Studio. Instantly, your channel will look much more polished and professional. Now comes the most important part. Idea generation. Your video will only perform if the topic itself is viral worthy. And writing about random history facts won't cut it. You need topics that already have proven demand. That's why I created a powerful ChatGPT prompt that I'm sharing for free in my Telegram. Just paste this into ChatGPT, choose how many ideas you want. I usually go with 30 and hit enter. ChatGPT will give you 30 viral topics in seconds, inspired by the format that's already working for other channels. All you need to do is go through the list and select one. Once you've chosen your topic, the next step is writing the script. For this, you'll use my second custom prompt. Paste it into Chatgpt, insert your chosen topic where required, and in the target section, type a few keywords that represent the theme of your video. For example, if your topic is Life of Humans 800 years ago, your keywords could be hunting, survival, wild animals, farming, and so on. ChatGPT will then generate a ready-to-use script. And if you want a longer, more detailed script, simply type "make it longer" and it will expand it further. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring it to life with visuals. This is where AI really shines. Copy the third prompt from my guide, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will automatically generate scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts for you. For the images, take each prompt one by one, paste it into Leonardo AI, select lucid realism as the model, and set the size to 16 by 9 for cinematic widescreen visuals. In a few seconds, Leonardo will generate 4 variations for you. Select the one you like, download it, and repeat this process until you've got all the visuals you need. Sometimes Leonardo might block a prompt because it considers it sensitive. If that happens, just go back to ChatGPT and say, "Make this less moderated but keep the same quality." It will rewrite the prompt into something Leonardo accepts without losing the essence of your idea. Once all the images are ready, we turn them into actual video clips. For this, we use Flow AI, which is free and gives you 1,000 credits every month. Simply sign up, start a new project, and choose Frames to Video. In the settings, pick the VO3 Fast model because it only uses 20 credits per render. Upload your images, crop them, paste in the video prompt from ChatGPT, and hit Generate. In less than a minute, Flow will give you a video complete with smooth animation and background sound. That's right, it even handles audio for you. And if you're worried about credits running out, don't be. I've shared a separate trick on how to create unlimited free flow accounts, so you'll never run out of resources. Now that you have all your clips, it's time to combine them. Editing here is minimal because Flow already generates background audio. All you need to do is open Clipchamp, start a new project, and import your clips. Drag them into the timeline, resize them slightly to hide the Flow watermark, and then export at full HD 1080p. And just like that, your 2-hour video is almost ready. But before we upload, we need a thumbnail that people can't resist clicking. This is where most creators fail, but you won't. Copy the fourth prompt from the PDF, paste it into ChatGPT, and then take the result into Leonardo AI. Again, select Lucid Realism and set the size to 16 to 9. In seconds, you'll get 4 thumbnail designs. Pick the one that looks the most eye-catching. No need to spend hours editing, because this exact thumbnail style is already proven to work for viral channels in this niche. Finally, we need a killer title, description, and SEO setup. Use the last prompt from the PDF, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will instantly give you everything: an attention-grabbing title, an SEO-optimized description, and hashtags ready to go. Add all of these during upload, and your video will have the best chance to rank and attract viewers. And that's it. You now have everything: a professional YouTube channel, viral topic, AI-generated script, cinematic visuals, video clips with sound, a polished edit, a thumbnail that pops, an SEO that gets you discovered. The best part? You did it all with free tools. And if even 1% of this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. It really motivates me to share more of these tutorials. And don't forget to join my Telegram to grab the exact prompts I used, completely free. Until then, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.